How to enable dark mode in Microsoft Word. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll demonstrate how to activate the dark mode in Microsoft Word and other themes in Microsoft Word using a very few simple steps. So first of all, in order to begin, click on your Windows search and type Word. And then after, click on Word 2016. Currently, you can see that I'm using a light mode. If I click on a blank document, you'll notice that I'm using the normal theme. In order to enable the dark mode, just simply close this window and then after again search for Word and open it again. Click on the blank document and then after go to File, and on the left hand corner there you can see the options, and in the General tab under the Personalize your copy of Microsoft Office, you can see the Office theme right here. Click on the drop down menu, and if you want a dark gray theme, click on dark gray and click OK. And you can see that it has been changed into a gray theme. Additionally, you have also the option to use the white theme as well. Click on OK and you can see the white theme over here. By following these steps, you can switch between the light dark mode and the full dark mode or the white mode. I hope this short video has been helpful. Do not forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to the channel for more amazing contents. Thank you. See you in the next video.